So Paynow allows customers in Singapore to make a payment using their preferred app for participating banks. And now let me show you how you can enable this. So what you're gonna have to do is click on your site, click on edit site from here, and now we're just gonna have to wait a couple of seconds. This will direct us to our website builder, and then we're gonna click on online store. From here, let's click on manage store, and now once we click on manage store, we're gonna have to click on payments, and here we're gonna have to set up our payment, our start payment, right? But now after you're doing that, and of course if you don't have an account on Stripe, create an account, set up your account on Hostinger here on your store. Then once you're doing that, you're gonna have to head over to Stripe, and then you click on settings, payments, and then here in payments methods you'll be able to find here pay now, but it's not available for me because it's only available in Singapore, right? So yeah, thanks for watching. If you have more questions, leave your comments down below. Thanks for watching and take care, and subscribe for more. I really appreciate if you subscribe and like this video if of course you found this helpful. If not, leave your feedback down below, and yeah, thanks for watching.